Hello friends, today I am going to show you the TP-Link Archer AX50, which is also known as AX3000. It is also a dual band gigabit Wi-Fi router. This router is different than the last one that I have reviewed. This supports now the latest Wi-Fi 6. So it is a gigabyte Wi-Fi router which is powered by Intel, and it is the next generation Wi-Fi which supports up to 3 Gbps like AX3000, meaning 3 Gbps, and it can connect up to more devices. Like this particular model can support up to 256 devices simultaneously, and it gives a good coverage throughout the home, and it has maximum beamforming as compared to the last model. So let's check what's on the back of the box. Like it is mentioned 3x faster speed, 75% low latency. If you're playing a lot of online games and all, then this is the perfect model for you. And it has 4x increased capacity on OFDMA. OFDMA is a technology which is used by these kinds of high-end routers to check whether the device needs high-speed internet right now or it is on the standby. So basically it decides to which device it is going to send the proper bandwidth at the particular need on the device. And this particular model comes with a home care. This is a security software, I think, inbuilt in here, and it has a dual core CPU. Smart Connect is also back here. As you can see, you can keep both the routers on the same SSID name, and the router will decide which device needs to be connected in which frequency, like the 2.4 gigahertz or the 5 gigahertz. All the ports are gigabit ports now, and you also get a USB 3.0 port to connect your hard drive, or you need to connect your printer, anything accessories that you want on your network. So why wait, my friends, let's open this up. As you can see, it is already sealed here, and it comes sealed on both sides. I think okay, it is open. Let's check the sides. So as you can see, let me keep this box aside. As you can see, we get cannot connect to AX router wireless. This is a question and answer. As you can see, let me hold this for you. So you need to update your driver to connect to this router if your Wi-Fi supports AX. Okay, and here we get the as usual card for your SSID and password here. This is mine, and I think your will be different. This you can keep on a purse. It is like a card. We did get this type of card on the last model too. And here we get standard general public notice, quick installation guide for this model, and as usual we will be setting this up using the mobile app. So the box quality is a bit cheap as compared to the last model. As you can see, it is very flexible. I think because of the eco-friendly boxes, this will be easier for recycling and all. We get the power brick as of all the last model that we get, and this power brick is a bit big, and it is in this shape rather the horizontal one. So this is a difference that we get here. I think the voltage also will be different here. Let us check. Okay, yes, this is 12 volt 2 ampere. I think this is the same one, so we keep this aside. Now carefully we take this out. Wow, it's a bit heavy as compared to the last model. So I hope from it opens. So it just opens like this. Need to tear this off. Be very careful with it. And this won't come off easily, so you need to straighten this out. Okay, now you can pull this off like this. So as you can see, it has been pulled off. So as you can see, it is mentioned here Intel Pro Innovation. So we have got here Intel processor here for your all Wi-Fi tasks and all. And behind we get as usual the SSID and password to connect this device, and model number is mentioned here, AX50 AX3000 gigabyte. Here we get the power socket, power button, as you can see here, WAN port, 4 LAN ports, 1 USB, 1 WPS button, and Wi-Fi on off switch. Reset is a push in, and you can also switch on your LED or switch off the LED using these buttons. Like there are LED buttons, lights here, so if you want at the night you don't need the glow and all, you can switch that off. So that's all my friends. Thank you for watching for the first part of this video. Usually you would be knowing that I make 2 parts of this router video, so that for easier for you to what we get inside the box, and the second part will be how we install this router. So thank you for watching my friends. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Bye bye.